Hello everyone. Let us just discuss today how we can protect our sheet or a range of sheet if we are collaborating with others. Suppose this is my sheet number 1. You can see the name here. I want to protect it from all. How I can proceed? I can click on this triangle. This window will pop up. You can see here protect the sheet. I'm going to click on this and you can see a small window will pop up in the right side. Now it is asking me description. I can put it here description or I can leave it blank. Range or sheet, I can go anywhere. Right now I want to protect the whole sheet number 1. I can choose accept certain cells, but right now I want to keep the whole sheet protected. Just click on set permissions. You can see by default it is restrict who can edit this range, only you. Yes, only me I want, no one else should change. I am keeping it as such done. Changes saved. You can see the lock sign here, sheet 1 is protected, the lock sign here because the whole sheet is protected. This is one type of protection where no one can change anything on the sheet. Now let me come to the second sheet. Now I want to protect this but with some other permissions. I'm clicking on this triangle, protect the sheet. Sheet 2 I want to protect completely, but by giving edit right with warning. How I will proceed? Show a warning when editing this range. Yes, I am choosing this. I have done. By giving this right, I can see who has changed and what values they can change. I will show you this later on. Now the third type of permissions, I'm going to sheet 3, again triangle, again protect the sheet, the same window will open. But now I want to customize the permission. How will I customize? Again, I'm protecting the whole sheet, but I can allow 1 or 2 or anyone who I want, they can edit. Set permissions. Now only you, I'm changing this to customize. This is me myself. Let me just give permission to someone else. Suppose I am giving permission to this. Done. Now this person can change. Share with one person. This is the email ID of the person with whom I have changed. Turn link sharing on, edit. Share. I am sharing with email ID. Now the person with whom I have shared, he or she can change this. Now again, new kind of permission where I just want to protect some range. Now suppose I want to protect these 3 columns. How will I arrange? Again, add a sheet or range. Now I want range. For range, I first have to click on this box. You can see by default it is E14 because my reference cell is E14. But I want it from A1, shift, choose the last one, C11. You can see now A1 to C11. Okay, I want this range only. Set permissions. Set permissions. I can anytime customize it or only me, because last time I have given someone's permission, so it is suggesting me, but anytime I can change. It is only me now. Done. Now you can see the range is protected. Lock sign is here, but no lock sign is here now. Okay, because only some range is protected. Let me just show you. If I want to remove this, I again have to click on this. By coming here again with the permissions, I can delete from here. Delete. It is asking me you want to remove or no. Right now I'm keeping it as such. Cancel. You can change it as such. Done. I will share the sheet with all of you, but let me just show you how will you see this sheet. Yes, you can see I have opened this sheet by some other account of mine. This is the protected one. Let me just try to change some marks. These are 35. You can see the highlighted cell. I am trying to put it as 45. I am trying, nothing is being changed. Okay, this is one type of permission where no one can change anything. Now in second sheet, I have given editable permission with warning. Now let me just change, okay, first marks only. These are 43. I am changing it to 45. You can see this warning is open. You are trying to edit part of the sheet that should not be changed accidentally. Add it anyway. Don't show this again for 5 minutes. I can check in it. But right now I have changed the marks. Okay. You can see marks are changed. Now these change marks can be seen by the creator. Okay. Now sheet 3, where I have given permission to someone but not to others. Let me just try to change marks here. I am again trying to change these marks, but I couldn't because this permission is not given to me. But anyone to whom this permission is given, he or she can easily change. He has full right as the creator. Now the sheet number 4, where I have protected first 3 columns. Let me just try to change these marks now. There was a problem. You are trying to edit a protected cell or object. Please contact the spreadsheet owner or to remove protection if you need to edit. So I cannot change these 3 columns, but anytime I can change others. I can put values here. So in this way, we can give the permission to others, different type of protections I have shown to you. Let me just go back and show you how I can see the edit history. You can see I am now again back on the same sheet as creator. Right now the change has been done here. You can see here, but I want to show you changes with warning. Yes, this was the sheet where I have given the warning, but someone can change. Let me just show you how we can see the edit history. Okay, let me first open any other cell where no one has changed any marks. I'm right clicking on the cell. You can see show edit history. Just click on it. This is my account, added 40. This was created by me myself and I have put in here 40 marks. So no history is there. I cannot choose anyone. Okay. Now I'm coming to this cell where someone has changed my entries. You can see replace 43 with 45. I can see the changes. Earlier I have added 43, but someone has changed 43 with 45. Okay, let me just take it back. I am bringing these marks back. Now it will show again warning to me because I have protected. Let me just show you the edit history now. All 3 edits will be shown now. Show edit history. I have replaced 45 with the 43. I have just done it. Back. Someone has replaced 43 with 45 and I have added 43 in the beginning while I have created this sheet. So in this way, we can protect and see the different type of protections. I hope it is clear to every one of you and you will take benefit of this. Thanks everyone.